welcome to Xander Meets World. This is a new toy for Xander. He loved watching Raya and the Last Dragon, so we got him a new Tuk Tuk. And Tuk Tuk is a lot of fun. He's very soft and easy to play with for kids of all ages. And the real nice part is he actually can go into a ball and roll just like in the movie. So I'm going to take him out of his special box that he came in and show you how to make Tuk Tuk roll. And here's our Tuk Tuk all out of his box and ready to be played with. And here is where we're going to attach Tuk Tuk to here to make him into a nice rolling ball. So we're going to take him and we're going to put this over his head, roll him up, get those feet in there, and then just attach these parts right here. And then once he's all set up, you can start playing with him as a ball. You have a very round shape on one side, and then this side is a little bit more flat. This is where he's tucked in with his head and his feet. So very easy to move around and have fun with. And then when you want to see Tuk Tuk, you just take these parts open and take his first 2 feet out, then his last 2 feet out, and there's Tuk Tuk, ready for you to play with. Hopefully you do love this. And if you do, make sure to go ahead and buy your own Tuk Tuk in the link in the description. Have fun playing with Tuk Tuk, and make sure to subscribe to more toys here at Xander Meets World. Thank you again, and hope you have a wonderful day.